Today, I'm going to show you how to DIY your very own custom phone case using the HTV ROT phone case heat press. Insert the film into your printer, and your design is ready. When the power button starts flashing white, it means the device is plugged in. Press the power button to turn it on. Press the temperature button. Red light, the lower heat plate. Yellow light, the upper heat plate. Set them to 135 Celsius and 125 Celsius respectively. Now press the time button. Yellow light, preheating. Red light, ironing. Set them to 5 seconds and 300 seconds. Put on your heat-resistant gloves and place the fixture inside the heating chamber. Adjust it according to your phone model. Close the upper heat plate and let it preheat for 5 minutes. Mount the case onto the fixture. Then place the film mat side down in the chamber. Make sure it lays flat. Then close the lid. Once the temperature is ready, press the start button to begin vacuum sealing and heat transfer. When the red light turns green, the ironing is done. With gloves on, open the upper heat plate and peel off the film while it's still hot. Remove the case from the fixture. And just like that, your DIY phone case is complete.